This video clip will show you how to best use videos in Now I Know. Let's start by looking again at what types of videos you have in the course. The first type of video clips are those in unit openers. They are linked to the topic of the unit. The second type of video clips are those in grammar lessons. They present language in the context of a story. All videos in the course have been produced by the BBC. The purpose of unit opener videos is to spark students' imagination and interest in the unit topic. In the lower levels, the videos are a mix of cartoon and real-world clips, and the language is kept simpler so that they are more accessible. From level 3, students are exposed to clips taken from renowned educational television programs produced for children by the BBC. Before watching a clip, ask the students to consider the screenshot on the student book page so they have a chance to guess what the clip is about. This will also help them understand the language. It is a good idea to watch the clip without subtitles first, but you can switch them on for more in-depth work on the next screening. If students are struggling, you may want to play the whole episode for a general understanding and then play it again, pausing to ask extra questions and to check understanding. In levels 1, 2 and 3, many of the clips show characters doing a project. These lend themselves very well to an extension activity where you can do the same activity with the class. For example, here in level 2, the clip shows a way of doing a weather chart, which will be a good additional activity for the class to do. In higher levels, the clips will often show an interesting experiment or facts related to the topic. This can also serve as a springboard for additional research projects. For example, here in Unit 3 of Level 4, the clip is about endangered animals. Story video clips provide students with characters they can relate to throughout the whole level of the course. There are 2 or 3 episodes of the story in each unit. One is a video clip and the other one's animations. There are 3 stories running across the course. In levels 1 and 2, students follow the adventures of Tommy, Susie and Cranky. In levels 3 and 4, they meet a cartoon version of Doctor Who is trying to save the world. In the last 2 levels, the story revolves around Emily, who describes the lives of her school friends in her diary. The plot of the stories will encourage students to watch the clips again at home and get additional exposure to the language outside of the class. 1 or 2 parts of the stories are used as background for the grammar lesson. The remaining 2 can be watched in the class, or if you're low on time, by students at home. As you watch the clips, encourage students to listen for the known and new structures and observe how they are used in conversation. These stories are a little simpler than the ones used in unit openers, so students can focus more on the structures and see them used in context. The BBC videos provide exposure to high-level language throughout the course. Students will hear words and structures they do not know and will listen to speakers with different accents. This will improve students' receptive fluency as well as their overall confidence. They will get used to handling and interpreting a wide range of authentic content in English. It will also allow them to develop compensation strategies and focus on getting the gist of the speech. We have now discussed the BBC video clips in Now I Know. To learn about other course components, please watch other videos in the series.